In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend two images seamlessly using Paint.net. If you're eager to create stunning photo compositions or simply want to enhance your digital artistry, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this creative process and get started. First things first, let's open up Paint.net. You can launch it from your desktop or find it in the Start menu. Once that's up and running, the very first thing we need to do is bring in our background image. Head over to the top menu bar, click on File, and then select Open. Choose the photo you want to use as your background. As soon as you do that, you'll see this image resting on your canvas, ready to serve as the background layer for our project. Now, onto the fun part, adding your second image to blend. Go back to the top menu bar, but this time click on Layers and select Import from File. Here, you'll choose the second photo you'd like to blend with the background. Paint.net will automatically place this image on a new layer above your existing background. If you glance at the Layers window, usually found in the bottom right area, you'll now notice that you have two layers. Next, let's ensure we're working with the top image layer. Over in the Layers window, simply click on the top layer or your newly imported image to highlight it. This is the layer that will blend seamlessly with the one beneath it. With your top layer selected, look towards the bottom of the Layers window and either click on the Properties icon, which resembles a little wrench or gear, or simply double-click the layer's thumbnail. This action brings up the Layer Properties window. Within the Layer Properties window, you'll find a drop-down menu for blending mode. Here's where you get to experiment a bit. You can try various modes to see how they affect your two images. For instance, Normal applies no blending, while Multiply darkens by merging colors, fantastic for adding shadows or textures. If you're interested in a brightness effect, Screen might be your go-to, great for achieving double exposure effects. Overlay adds contrast, beautifully blending the light and dark areas, giving the entire piece an artistic feel. There are also Lighten and Darken options, which essentially compare pixels, keeping either the lighter or darker ones depending on your choice. As you explore these modes, you'll see the changes happening in real time. Now, let's fine-tune the transparency. In the same Layer Properties window, you'll see an opacity slider. Adjust this to control the transparency of your top image. At 50% opacity, for example, your top photo will be semi-transparent, allowing the background to shine through more prominently. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click OK in Layer Properties. To save your newly blended masterpiece, head to File, then Save As. You can choose to save your creation as a PNG for the best quality or as a JPEG for a smaller file size. That's it. Enjoy your beautifully blended image and the creative journey you embarked on today with PaintNet.